Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore something many Microsoft Teams users don't know about: how to delete chat files. You may have seen files piling up in your chats and wondered, is there a way to clear these out? The good news is yes, there is, but the option is a little tucked away. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So by the end of this guide, you'll have a clean and organized chat space. Let's start from the top. Open your Microsoft Teams app and sign in with your account. You can do this on your desktop, laptop, or even through the web version. Just make sure you're logged in. Once inside, head to the chat where the file you want to delete was shared. This could be a personal conversation or a group discussion. Now here's the hidden part. Files don't just float around on their own, they're tied to chat messages. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the file you'd like to remove. Hover your mouse over the message that contains the file. As you do, some icons will appear near the message. Look for the More Options menu, represented by 3 dots. Click on it, and you'll see several choices. Among them is the Delete option. When you select it, Microsoft Teams will ask you to confirm before proceeding. Once you confirm, the file and its associated message will disappear from the chat history. It's important to know that deleting works differently depending on your permissions. If you uploaded the file, you can delete it with no problem. But if someone else uploaded it, the ability to remove it might be restricted to that person or the chat owner. This ensures that important documents aren't removed by mistake. After deletion, the file is gone from the chat, giving you a clutter-free conversation view. This not only helps with organization, but also reduces confusion when searching through older chats. Still, be cautious. Once deleted, the file is no longer easily accessible. If you think you might need it later, download a copy first before removing it. And that's all it takes. A few simple steps, and you've unlocked a feature that can keep your Microsoft Teams chats neat and professional. It may seem like a small trick, but managing your workspace effectively makes a big difference in productivity. I hope this guide gave you clarity on deleting chat files in Microsoft Teams. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more 2025 productivity tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.